Okay, part 2. I've managed to fix the antenna trimmer. As you can hear, that's working properly now. All that was the fins had been knocked, or it'd been bashed in the front. It had bent all the fins. I managed to push the whole structure straight, and it's cleared the short, so that's good. Didn't have to take it out of the set. Let's just try it now. I haven't done the volume control pots at the top, but I've done all the selector pots, and they're all clean now. So let's try and find try and resolve the sideband signal. So we'll go for Shannon Volmit, which is on 5505. That seems to be fairly sensitive now. So on range C. Just a trimmer for maximum gain. RF gains at maximum. Sideband mode, which we're on. So it looks like RF alignment's pretty good actually. Okay, so looks like it's working fairly well. What I will do now is I'm just going to check the RF alignment and see what we're like on for alignment. So we'll set that band spread to, I think that's where we need to start. I need to really check this before I do calibration, but it certainly looks like it's being calibrated, so it's on the far right hand side. I don't think you start it. Let's just check, see what it's like on the light here. So the band spread's set. So let's put a 1 meg signal out. Get some modulation so we can actually hear what's going on, and tune to 1 meg. So we're on band A. So 1 meg should be here. Okay. Oh, got BFO on. AM. Okay, there's our signal from the generator. So let's turn the band spread back to, I think I remember correctly, it's fully clockwise. So that should be 1 meg now. Okay, so there's a little bit of alignment error with the 1 meg signal. Let's get that, exactly 1 meg. But it is working, and that's not bad. What I will do is we'll just check the front end and peak the IF strips. These are the two first, second IF, third IF. I think it's the fourth IF. I'm sure these are all IF coils. If I can make a mistake, I'm not too worried because I can come back. I've got the manual for it at home somewhere. I can reset that. So if I go to 455. It's 455. There we go. And in the manual, what it says is to get maximum signal on the signal strength meter. Now I've actually got an adjustment here. I can bring that up a little bit. There we go. Right, so that's got a noisy pot as well, so let's get that up. Okay, so do the basic alignment you do with all AM radios, is basically to peak the output for maximum deflection on the meter, and let's set it with the pot on the back, so we've got a reference point. So if I set it to, let's turn the gain of it. I don't want to overload the front end too much. Okay. Detune us so we don't find. That's it. Got the aerial off. That's better. Then we can get a clean signal. So let's try the front one first. 455, just to double check, as close as I can get it. First winding. Wait for it to focus. Come on, focus. That's the best I'm going to get it. Maybe I'm a bit too close. There we go. So I'm adjusting now. Okay, that's... No, I brought it up a touch, just a touch there. Still the first IF. There's the secondary. That's peaked. Turning the gain RF power down on the amp signal generators. Moving to the second IF primary. Secondary. So that's peaked it up a little bit more. So that's pretty good. Let's do the primary of this transformer, and I'll probably have to do the secondary underneath. Okay, that's a little bit more of an improvement. And set over. Going under the underside of the transformer, which is the secondary. That's peaked. As you can see there, that's pretty good like that. So the meters dropped down, I think mainly because of the effect of the screen on the base. And so we've got one more IF transformer here. And I'll do this when it's over on its side. Careful where you're sticking your arm. Focus. Okay, that's not making any difference at all. So that's pretty good. That's pretty well peaked. So yeah, once you've got the IF aligned correctly, then you can go through and do a front end alignment on it to make sure that everything's okay. But that's it basically for this set. They're pretty basic. Nice set to work on. A great beginner set. You can pick them up for, I don't know, about £100, $150, $200 maybe. I'm not sure what they go for in the States, but yeah, they're usually around £100 here in working condition. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll once it's all up and running properly, I'll do some demonstrations of its reception capability.